Good morning. It is day 2 of our beach trip, and the wind, I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but it's like whistling so loud all night long, shaking the house. So crazy. I think it's supposed to hopefully die down after today. It's supposed to get cooler, and the wind is supposed to die down. So that's a good thing. I woke up to some scary news this morning. Last night, our house and our neighborhood was evacuated because of a wildfire. We knew that that was going to be a possibility moving to that area. That's just something you have to deal with out in the country like that. And this was our first experience with getting evacuated. And so my husband got it's like a reverse 911 on his phone, letting him know that they needed to evacuate immediately. There was no warning before that, because usually there's like level 1, level 2, level 3, and it just went, as far as we knew, it just went straight to a level 3. Get out now, don't take anything, basically. So that was at, I think that was around midnight, 1 a.m. last night. And so all of our neighbors all left. Kids and my mom and my husband got in the car and left. And it worked out that I'm here with his parents, because they are the ones that coordinate the beach trip every year. And so their house, that's about 35 minutes from us, was empty. So they just went over to their house, and that's where, at last I heard, that's where they are now. Just waiting it out. Of course, I've been, Googling and trying to search all social media to get all kinds of information about what's going on and try to figure out, if our house is burning down. I mean, that's the long and short of it. From what I can tell, it looks like the fire is under control and they have a good plan to really, get it taken care of this morning. But it does seem like it's a lot better than it was a few hours ago, like in the middle of the night. So things are looking good. We are having very high winds here at the beach. We are also having high winds at our house. Today it's supposed to be very hot in the 90s, and there's supposed to still be a pretty significant amount of wind. So it's like the perfect recipe for terrible wildfire. So we're not out of the woods yet, so to speak, out of the wildfire yet. It's going to be, a waiting game today. I think if we can make it through today without the fire getting worse, it'll be good, because it's supposed to cool down and the wind is supposed to die down after today. So anyways, my nice relaxing trip to the beach, I am thinking about home and about, the possibility of everything changing in an instant. So anyways, going to still try to enjoy our day and not worry. Worrying doesn't fix anything. And there's nothing I can do right now to fix anything. So I'm going to try to still enjoy the day with the kids and just wait for any updates. It's a little after 10 a.m. now, and I don't have any huge updates except that things are looking good. Everything's not taken care of yet. There's still possibility of, things getting worse, but it looks like things are going to be okay, and it looks like Jeff and the kids will still be able to come sometime today. The soccer games that they had stayed for all got canceled because of air quality, so that's not something they have to wait for anymore. They just have to make sure everything is okay at the house. We still have power at the house. That's a good thing. We definitely don't want to lose our huge freezer stock of meat. That would be pretty devastating. So anyways, I was kind of sitting here waiting to hear if I needed to run and go like pick up the kids and bring them back here. Doesn't sound like I'm going to have to do that. So me and Renee and Autumn are going to go ahead and do our errands today that we had planned, picking up the food, the additional food that we needed for the rest of our days here. Since it sounds like the kids will be coming as planned, we will be needing the food. I was not sure if I wanted to run and go grocery shopping because I wasn't sure if there would be people here to eat the food, but hopefully they will be here. And so we're going to run and do that. We'll probably go to the Tillamook cheese factory and look around there and maybe get lunch there. There's also the Blue Heron Cheese Factory that we first checked out last year. That's really fun. Just a nice, they have an amazing like gift shop and stuff, and they have food there too. So we'll kind of decide where we want to eat. I bet Renee will want to eat at the Tillamook Cheese Factory. So we'll probably still do that. But we're just gonna, spend some time in Tillamook unless we get interrupted by, information where we need to do something fast. But we're just gonna try to keep our minds off of the stress and still have a fun time and wait for the rest of the family to arrive.
Head east on Blue Heron Road.
First stop is the
500 feet, turn right.
Blue Heron Cheese Factory. Yeah, some big goats. No, not quite. And ours won't get horns like that.
Well, are they going to be that big over there?
I don't think they're going to be quite that big.
Oh, there's a black sheep.
Oh, the black sheep of the family.
That chicken right there, the chicken coop looks like ours.
Mm-hmm.
Cheetah.
Look at those little donkeys.
What are you doing over here? Get back home.
Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay, it's time to go.
The Blue Heron Cheese Factory. Where are the blue herons?
Oh, it's right there. This giant one right there.
Blue.
Oh, look, it's a candy shop. I don't think we went in there before. Look at these little ice cream trucks. Renee, look at this. It's a little ice cream truck toy for kids, for babies. That's adorable. Barn. Oh, there's too many cute things. Oh my gosh, it's a gummy bouquet. Look at this giant Oreo.
Oreo socks.
Oreo.
Oh my goodness, giant
Giant
Oreo.
cookie.
No, that's what we need in our lives.
The giant cookie.
There's a pizza with a face. Aww. Look at the little coin purse. It's a s'more. Yeah, I know. Those are erasers.
Oh, these are all erasers.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So cute. Look at the little cinnamon roll. Oh my goodness.
I love that so much.
Gummy sushi. You want a Twizzler belt?
I kind of do.
A Crush belt? A Doritos belt? You should get this for Papa. Oh my goodness. Oh, with an egg on top?
I guess
That's so weird.
Donut?
We do have gummy everything. Look, a gummy taco.
I want
What the
gummy
heck?
noodles.
Gummy noodles.
Gummy burger.
Oreo candy canes. This
Gum-
is just so wrong.
Gummy burger.
Everything about this is just wrong.
Macaroni.
Gummy fries
Wait, this is
with
the worst thing.
ketchup?
Macaroni and cheese.
Ah.
Look.
Pickle candy canes.
Oh my goodness. Here, show it to me again.
Mom, this is a present for you. Here's your coffee.
Ah! Do it again. Do it again.
Here's your coffee.
Ah! Applewood smoked chocolate covered bacon.
Winks.
That's the only snack in here that I think I can get behind. Never mind. Look at all those ingredients. What is that?
Ketchup
Oh
candy.
my gosh. Kale candy?
Pho candy.
Oh my goodness.
I don't even know what it is though.
What is wrong with the world?
It's an ice cream cone. It's hard to finish.
Coffee with heavy cream is all I need from here. Oh my goodness. A giant gummy shark.
That's a real gummy.
Wait, this is a gummy candy too? It's a unicorn gummy. That is so crazy. Now into the main building. Yeah. Ooh, it's lots of Halloween stuff already. Oh, that's so cute. It's a little tire swing that you make into a bird feeder. That is cute. Authentic PDX carpet. Coasters. Oh, Renee, there's the honey I found for you at Bob's Red Mill. Yeah, that's original honey for cheese, honey for tea, whipped honey, cinnamon. Oh, that is cute. I like that. Oh my goodness, this little timer. That's so adorable. Of course, they've got to have a little cheese at a cheese factory. Big spread. They got Tillamook cheese here. We don't even need to go to the Tillamook cheese factory. Alright, so let's see. Oh, pepper brie and herb brie.
I don't want to do any of those. Okay,
and then there's jams and stuff too. Oh, River House dressing.
Is this your coffee?
I didn't know River House dressing was from here. Yeah, that's my coffee. You just want to taste a pretzel? You stinker. That's not what they're for. They have a soap for everybody. Soap for the favorite child. Lefties. I need to get that for my husband. He's a lefty. He's also a trophy husband.
That looks cool.
Oh my goodness. Smells like fresh air and fresher selfies. Tillamook Cheese Factory, here we come. I mean Tillamook Creamery, that's what they call it now.
So they changed the name?
I don't know. Maybe it was always called the Tillamook Creamery and we just always called it the Tillamook Cheese Factory because we're wrong.
So I don't think I have cheese. The way that comes
Oh yeah, there's the van. Let's go upstairs first, Renee, and then we'll come downstairs. Yeah. Hanging cheese. Oh, we get to take little samples home. That's exciting. Just grab one of each kind you want to try. Ooh, smoked buck cheddar. Aye, good. Oh, and shredded. Tillamook butter goes with crab. Can't be crabby about this. Did you know Queen Elizabeth II sampled Tillamook cheese in 1977 at her Silver Jubilee? We'd say it's fit for a queen. Oh my goodness. Those are your cheese samples? All right, there's the big vats. The conveyor belt's not moving. No. Go stand next to her. I'll take your picture. Smile. Smile. Crazy driver. Spicy habanero jack, garlic chili cheddar, smoked black pepper white cheddar, hickory smoked cheddar. So many flavors I've never seen. Extra sharp aged white cheddar, hickory smoked extra sharp white cheddar. Oh, I want that one too. Extra sharp aged cheddar, but this one's aged and, it's smoked and sharp. That's exciting. Jalapeno honey cream cheese. That looks yummy. Ooh, white cheese curds. Grab a cheese curd. I have never tried the white ones.
I love cheese curds.
Me too.
Lettering.
Look at all the cheese socks. And cow socks and ice cream socks. Ice cream flavored lip balms. Look at that. French vanilla. What's that?
Oregon strawberry.
Strawberry.
I
love
want to
it.
get this.
Oh, lanyards.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, there's some nice stickers that aren't.
Oh, look at these little pens. They're like little cheese blocks. Those are adorable. We did our grocery haul at Fred Meyer. Got everything we needed for the meals. Here's our Tillamook cheese haul. So they gave out these for the samples. So we each grabbed some of those. Those will be nice little snacks. And the kids wanted some postcards to send to some friends. So we grabbed a couple of those. They're so cute. Renee, I picked out this for Levi to put on his water bottle, and Renee picked out that one to put on her water bottle. So cool. And then you can't go to the Tillamook Cheese Factory without getting cheese curds. We got the white, and then we also got the cheddar, or white cheddar and orange cheddar, I should say. And then these flavors looked really good. Hickory smoked extra sharp white cheddar and garlic chili cheddar. Oh my gosh, all this sounds so delicious. Just got confirmation from my husband that they are on their way. I'm so happy and relieved. that they are going to be able to be here. Would have been awful if they didn't make it to the beach after looking forward to the beach trip for the entire year. So they're on their way, should be here in about an hour and a half. So I'm just going to work on getting the house cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to make a dinner. I'm going to make tacos for dinner, and it'll be a lot of leftovers probably, so that it'll be stuff we can eat for the next couple of days while we're here. And I'm just happy that they're coming. Levi, you're here. You made it to the beach house. The wildfire refugees have arrived.
So excited.
You're so excited?
Yep.
I'm so glad you're here. What do you think, Levi? Awesome. You remember, what's his name? What's his name? Captain Pegman? I think it's Captain Pegleg. And what are you doing? Eating those?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you going to sleep tonight?
Under one night.
In the bunk bed?
Yeah.
And you're going to be on the bottom bunk? That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Are you so excited to be at the beach house? What's your favorite thing about the beach house?
Everything.
Everything, but what's one thing?
Going in sand.
Going in the sand.
So many times I went in sand.
You so many times what?
So many times I went in sand.
Yeah, so many times, and you get so dirty. And it's so amazing and fun.
But look.
Is your foot dirty? Is it a mess?
They both.
Yeah. You took a bath earlier, but then you went out for another walk, huh?
Yeah, but sand didn't get on me.
Well, I don't believe that for a second. When you're at the beach, the sand always
When
gets
I
on you.
was going to dance with them.
Dance with your sisters?
Yeah, but with Autumn and Talia, and they said no, and I was coming back, and Autumn would pick me up.
Autumn picked you up to
Yeah.
take you back inside?
No, I wanted to go dance, and then I chose to go inside.
Then you chose to go inside.
Yeah.
I want to see you dance. That'd be awesome.